So this DIY video is going to be pretty fun. We actually built this gaming PC, gaming and streaming, for JackMorrisonTV on Twitch. You may know them a little better as Meghan and Jack, and they're a really awesome couple that makes some really good content. They have been for many years, I believe. And I kind of more recently discovered and met him. I started watching his streams and everything, and he had been talking about how he wanted a new gaming PC. I think he was running like a 3080 with maybe like a 10th gen Intel CPU. And so something along those lines, a little bit older, and for his size, and he has over 100,000 followers on Twitch, so he clearly makes probably some decent money off of it. And, it was kind of just time we built him something new. So not only did we build him the PC, which he fully paid for and everything, I kind of tried to work out some advertising with him, but he was like, honestly, man, let's just go ahead and get the build just completely paid for. And then if you want to do some advertising with me on Twitch, for PC Bros, he's like, we can work that out later. And I was like, that's actually awesome. That works out way better for me, and I don't have to worry about being owed money or anything. So we ended up settling on the TR100 from Thermaltake. It's a newer mini RTX case. I will say, pretty advanced level to build in. Not an easy build. We've done about 3 now since we did his. They get easier each time, but for the very first time, not very easy to build in at all. And we went with the 9800X3D with a 5070 Ti. And temps are good. The temps are good, the fans are good, everything on the build turned out really good. And overall, I'm really happy with it. We ended up adding a Gen 5 riser cable because for whatever reason, even though that case just came out, it only comes with a Gen 4x16 cable, which is really common for most cases to not have the right riser cable for new 50 series and new 90 series cards. I will say, normally they work fine on the older interface. Like normally you can get away with using a Gen 3 or a Gen 4 interface, but for some reason, when you have the extension cables, they can get really wonky. And I even tested it. I tested the Gen 4 cable on his because I would have preferred to use Thermaltake's OEM one, and I was having all kinds of problems like lag, stuttering, even crashing. So we had to use the Gen 5 cable. We also went with a cooler that was way too big. We did the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2, which for those of you who don't know, that cooler is more like a 280 mil. So even though it's a 240, it's thicker. It is overall just a larger cooler in every way than a normal 240. So that was a really tight fit. I had to do some modifications even to make it all work, but the build turned out great. It was really cool. Meghan even actually reached out to our Instagram. She knew that he had bought the PC from us, and she was like, hey, I'd love to be able to get him some more upgrades for his setup. So I had her send me some pictures, and it was a very Apex Legends themed setup. You could tell that Respawn had kind of helped him out at some point. So we went ahead and got him a really nice 240 hertz mini LED monitor, a really nice mouse pad from Highstar, a Attack Shark 8K polling rate mouse, a really dope custom build keyboard, and a couple of other things if I remember right. And that was all just free. We just told Meghan said that they'd post some on their main social media account about it, kind of tagging Toasty Bros and PC Bros. So I think it was a pretty fair trade. And yeah, I'm really happy with how everything turned out. He also got the whole room remodel. That was a really cool and wholesome video that Meghan did while they were out of town. So yeah, everything about the project was really fun. I'm really glad that PC Bros and Toasty Bros got to be involved with the whole entire process. And so yeah, now I'm just gonna show you guys some highlights of the build. And it's been a few weeks he's been running it. I have not heard of any more issues since he got it. Besides the shipping, there was a little bit of a mishap, but we got it fixed. And so yeah, since then everything seemed good. It seems like a good upgrade for him, and I'm glad that everybody is happy. Yeah, we got to give a shout out. This PC right here, it's going to someone pretty cool. It's going to Jack Morrison, or you guys may know better as Meghan and Jack on like TikTok and YouTube, Instagram.
All over the place, yep.
The social medias, I mean, they're all up in it.
And if you do follow them, they just did a whole thing where Meg surprised Jack with a really cool home office setup, and this is the PC that's going to go in that setup.
You think we can make him cry?
I think we can make him cry. Let's see if we can make him cry like he did with that setup reveal. That was pretty cool. So
it almost had me crying.
So yeah, this is going to be a really cool PC we're going to put together. Very excited to do so. And mini RTX. And it's not a case that we've been wanting to build in for a while. It looks really sick.
Been told anyone really.
I don't think we did, but we're gonna build this awesome PC, and it's gonna be awesome for his live streams because he has a lot of live streams. I think it came out, it was one of the first times COD tried a battle royale, and it was when PUBG was in its prime.
Ooh, yeah, that was a mistake.
I love ITX builds. No, I love them. I was really contemplating it for my next PC, but I just had a case in mind with the Air Cross that I'm gonna be using, and I was like, yeah, let's just do that instead. Yeah, the riser cable is somewhere over here.
It's a pretty tight case.
There you go.
Yeah, moist critical. It's time for us to do that, chat.
Have everything ready for the giveaway on that website, Exclamation One
We
giveaway.
haven't even done like YouTube announcement, Instagram.
Yeah, we haven't done anything. We've been slacking. It's something on it. It can also mean crudely made or done.
It sounds like most of our chat.
Some people view giving cash in lieu of a wrapped present to be terribly gauche. But word of the day thing's gonna keep going, but as soon as Merriam-Webster throws us a brain rot word, we're done.
Oh, it's going insane.
We're done.
That's when we start the rave, chat. Today's the day I took it too far. Dude, this is looking tight. Oh, can that cable still fit through there?
Let's find out. After a word from today's sponsor. This can go down.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need to like. Yeah, I know.
All right, just plug it in first and I'll let you know.
That's about all the slack you're gonna get.
I think we can do it.
Holy crap.
I think it's gonna work. Just jerking.
You're gonna be getting, you're getting jerked, brother. You're gonna be getting a little bit of a set upgrade. So, here's what we got here, all right? We took a look at your current setup items and they're not gonna cut it. So, what we got is a Keychron keyboard. This is a Hall effect linear switch keyboard. It's multi-layer PCB, gasket mounted, it's full RGB, it's got wooden accents on the side, aluminum case, so very high end, very high quality, fastest polling rates, response times you can get, and it's got some very nice Gatoron magnetic Hall effect switches. This is actually, I'm excited for this.
I use this mouse. This is the mouse I use here on my setup. It's really sick.
8K polling rate, wireless. I mean, I think it's like 200-hour battery life or something like that. Very sleek. It'll match the setup really nicely. Gold and forest go well together.
Sick mouse. Love it.
I don't know about these yet, but I'm hoping I end up liking these. Oh, if you're gonna open up the mouse pad, actually, I think you'll really like that.
Yes.
So I either really like it or really hate it. So we'll see. I think it matches the new setup really nicely.
So yeah, this is gonna look really good with the
show them that.
All right, here we go.
So this is called a coffee heat cap set. They're double shot PBT. And the plan is we're gonna try to go ahead and replace.
Not gambling with that. Yeah. I was about to just open it up.
Yeah, the plan is we're gonna replace the current keys on that really cool keyboard. And we'll include the black ones too in case you wanna go back.
I love Omar.
What did he say?
He just is like, you should really listen to my advice because I'm a former detailer.
And he said, okay, I'm done.
Yeah, thank you, Omar.
Dude, I love high star stuff. It's like just so fancy.
All right, so yeah, here we go. Here's the last thing. The mouse pad.
Will we ever be able to wrap it back up?
Let's find out. Oh, this is gonna match the theme so well.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna look so good. Oh!
Check that out, baby.
That's now high star.
That's pretty heat.
They're the top tier when it comes to mouse pads.
This is what we use that on our setup over there in my house.
Yeah, super thick mouse pad. Super thick. This theme is gonna match beautifully with the setup. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
It's very fun.
Imagine we did our typing test like that. Like while we're typing, just yeah, that's good.
Well, it's almost like we have
take the
for this
PSU
now.
out, run the tubes up and under, like through this area.
And then run the block. Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, for the sake of this stream, we're donezo. Keyboard's ready. PC will be built. Obviously, we'll be posting a bunch of social media about it. I know we were working on a YouTube short for it, so we'll continue that and give you all some more content. But thank y'all for watching. There's a guide to raid to Citizen Spooner. Okay.
All right, guys. We're going to raid Citizen Spooner now.
See you all tomorrow for the giveaway stream. Don't forget we go live at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. for the giveaway. Peace out.
Peace out.